What's good, YouTube? Today we react to singles reject each other with a press of a button, bro. The first episode was fire. I liked it, and I look and want to do it again. And yeah, man, let's go.
Okay, I have a joke. How much does a roof cost?
How much does it cost?
Nothing. It's on the house.
What? That was a joke?
Yeah.
Welcome to the Button
What?
Speed Dating Show. When the
All right,
button
that
lights
was-
up red,
all right.
either player
What a
can press
great
it
start.
and swap out their date for a new person.
I
Get
bet.
outta here.
If two
Oh,
people
dang.
can last on a date for 10 minutes, they
10
win an all
minutes.
expenses paid
See, they
second
pay
date.
for you
This
for
episode
if you
was
stay
made
10
in
minutes, they're gonna pay for everything
partnership with
expenses. Yeah, I don't get paid. So
Hi,
How's it going?
no sponsors
how
for
are
me.
you?
I'm Seth.
I'm Alex.
Alex, great
Nice
to meet you.
What do you do for work?
Mechanical engineer.
Okay, my
Ooh,
sister's a
oh,
civil
he's smart one.
Okay, gotcha.
Are you really good at math?
No.
What?
Can you give her
Are they supposed to be good at math?
compliments?
3 compliments. I love your
No, no.
hair
Thanks.
and your glasses.
Thanks.
And
he's
I
nervous,
like
bro.
how you're matching. You got the purple.
Yeah, he's
the blue.
nervous.
Thank you.
Looks like you just got back
Look
from
at
the
him. Yeah, he doesn't
Winter
wanna be here.
Festival. Fair enough.
He's
Why
a
did you
he's
reject him?
I feel
He's
like
just
his
nervous,
compliments were
bruh.
based just on my physical appearance.
Well, to be fair, you haven't talked that long.
That's so fair, Button. Thank you.
Great to meet you, Alex. Good luck.
Of course, Nina,
Thank you.
that's how we started
That's
out,
okay,
right?
Button. I'm like geeking that you just said my name. It's like very exciting.
Do you have a crush on me?
A little tea.
What? You have a crush on this? All right, bro. I'm gonna click that button for you. Let me get out of here, bro. You get out of here. You know what I'm saying?
I'm Alex.
How you doing, Alex?
Oh yeah, he doesn't like her,
She was
like her, bro.
crushing
Look at
on
his
you.
face.
Who?
I'm just a fan of the Button. I'm just a big fan.
Why are you a fan of the button on?
You jealous, Ken?
I mean, I ain't really the jealous type. Like, I don't be in my feelings like that. I know what I'm worth and what I look like.
Bro, why you talk like that, bro? Yeah, I'm not top person to be jealous, bro. You know, like, bro, what? Come on, bro.
Yeah, you're
Sorry.
Yeah, good.
Why did you hit me?
I think
Yeah,
I'm
good.
realizing I'm really
I'll
looking for
stop eating
somebody's
chocolate. Stop.
personality and someone's.
Yeah, he has a
who they are
lazy
on the inside,
personality,
you know?
bro.
Nice to meet you. My name is Bonko.
Nice to meet you. I'm Alex.
Oh, okay, bro.
So what do you do?
Well, I'm a personal trainer. I like to work out. What do you do?
This book
I
ass
work
dude
in
got
board game
a
development.
booty shorts.
Okay,
I think, bro. I don't even
play
know,
board
bro.
games?
Actually, I do.
Yeah? What board
This
games do
guy
you like?
buff.
It's like a Bulgarian ones.
What's the name of the game?
Shushka.
Oh,
Tushka, okay.
Very cool.
It's Bulgarian, yeah.
Yeah,
That's
very
fine.
cool. Are you from Bulgaria?
Yeah, I'm from Bulgaria.
Okay.
Damn.
Sorry.
That's okay.
City boys up.
Because
City boys up, baby.
My type,
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry.
No problem.
What are you looking for?
Someone that likes to work out and likes to have fun.
I know what you trying to do, buddy. I know you. Okay. I know what he's trying to do. Oh yeah, he ain't slick with it. He sounded like a type of girl like who works out. He thought my boy trying to throw shots secretly though.
You like to work out?
I do.
Dang.
What kind of exercises do you like to work out the most?
I do like high intensity, like interval.
Oh.
Weightlifting?
Sometimes I really like to swim actually.
Tell him why.
I don't feel a physical connection.
Okay.
You want to work out, girl?
Are you sweating?
Let's get this man.
Kind of. I'm starting to in my hair, you know.
Do you need some
Yeah.
deodorant?
No, I
I
actually
need to
put
stop.
some
Naughty or nice?
on. Definitely naughty.
Adi,
I'm Lana.
What?
nice to meet you. Tell me a little bit about yourself.
I read a lot.
Nice.
Okay.
What's your favorite book right now?
I just actually got done reading like a business leader book.
I think
City
you do,
boys
yeah.
up, baby.
Sorry.
No, it's all good. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I'm Adi.
Oh.
Hola, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I really like your name.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, he has an accent.
What is your full name?
Well, my full name is Aditya.
Aditya? No,
Adi-
sorry.
No. You got it right. Say it again.
Aditya?
Yeah, that was good.
All right.
Okay. My
Nigga
name
the
is
present, buddy.
Simple.
Nigga the present.
Paula.
Yeah.
Dang, you didn't
sorry.
let
Why'd you
City
push the
boys
button on me?
up.
It's not my type. But I
Okay.
really like your name though.
City
I love the
boys.
name.
Okay.
Okay. Oh shoot, my charger.
Hi,
How's it going?
City boys up. Oh, hold
I'm
on.
Adi.
I'm Annika.
Oh, that was the
Nice
Nice to
girl.
meet you. You have really pretty eyes.
Oh yeah, it's over.
to meet you.
What's your type?
Do you have a type?
Yeah, I like girls who are like funny.
Okay.
I like to laugh
Funny.
a lot, so I like to make
Oh
people
shit,
laugh.
not the
Make him
joke.
laugh.
Oh
Make
no.
him laugh. Okay,
Oh,
I have
no.
a joke. How much does a roof cost?
How much does it cost?
Nothing. It's on the house.
What a joke.
Yeah.
All
I
right.
get it.
Well, thank you.
What a
It was
joke.
really nice to meet you. Yeah.
All right, your next date is coming in.
Cool.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Oh,
I'm good. What's your name?
I'm Annika. What's your
They
name?
do.
I'm
hey,
John. So what do you do for work?
They do
I'm a
match, bro. Hold
barista
on.
and I teach like
Barista.
performing arts classes for high school students.
Oh, that's
Oh.
cool. I'm also a teacher.
Yeah, what do you teach?
Oh.
I'm a preschool teacher. So I teach kids who are between the ages of 3 and 6.
Why is he talking
right now,
so
I'm an
fast?
assistant, but I'm working towards becoming
Calm
a lead
down, hold
teacher
up.
at some point.
He's actually a teacher.
Annika
Calm
plays
down.
the guitar.
You do. That's
Yeah.
super cool.
Thanks.
He's
Do you
nervous.
ever perform anywhere?
Not really right now. Mainly just like for myself and like my friends and stuff, just for fun. But what are you looking for in a relationship?
So I'm looking for something long term. I don't want to just date someone for a couple of days and then
Man,
just
he
get
want
with each
to
other.
Something like serious.
He want a
Yeah.
wife.
Do you want to like get married and stuff?
Yeah, he wants.
Eventually,
He
yes.
wants
but
a
you know,
wife.
of course, it would be a case where
Isn't it?
we get to know each other
Yeah.
first.
Yeah, I feel that.
Ooh,
I'm
not
sorry.
red
That was mean.
anymore.
It was red and then it wasn't.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Looks like John beat you to it.
That's okay. I'm just not really looking for anything serious. That's
Okay.
kind of my-
Well, nice to meet you, though. You seem great.
Thank you. It was nice.
Why he talking so fast? Nice to meet you, though. Nice to meet you, though. I like you look. I like your hair. Like, bro, he's like he's a teacher for real. Like, so much my teacher when I was in high school, I don't understand what he's saying. Every time you know what I'm saying? Like, there's some lessons. I don't understand what they're saying, bro.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you,
Have
too.
fun.
Can I ask what you do for work?
whoa,
I'm a bartender.
You are.
What do you do?
I'm a preschool teacher.
Jackie, do you get naughty or nice vibes from John?
John is giving really nice vibes.
Well, that's good to hear.
Do
Okay.
you have a little bit of a bad side?
Are you a naughty John?
I'm gonna say no. Okay, I'll think of something
She
interesting to
gonna
say.
press.
I guess you could say,
She gonna press. She's pressing it. Definitely. I know it.
He just seems a little nervous.
so nervous.
I'm sorry.
it's all right.
Nice to meet
But it's
you,
not there, I
John.
see.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you too.
He was really nervous.
He's talking so
He really
fast. Like, I'm
Do
like,
you do
calm
that to men,
down.
Jackie?
Maybe a little.
Yeah.
I'm Jackie.
Little.
Calvin.
Calvin, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Tell me about you.
I was a dance and
Oh, they look
psychology major,
compatible with
and now
ours.
I take classes every once in a while. I have
They
a
look
job
good
where
to
I
each
get
other, though, not
to
gonna lie.
dance and serve at the same time.
Can you dance, Calvin?
I do dance, yes.
What kind of dance do you do?
I took a private bachata lessons.
Bachata? I took a couple
español.
bachata classes.
Oh, wow.
You two should dance together right
Okay.
Right now?
That's fine. Oh.
now. Bachata, bachata,
Okay.
bachata.
Oh. Okay, bro. Oh yeah, they got it. He got it.
That was adorable.
He got it.
You're adorable too.
The
got
button
it.
or me?
Both of you.
Oh, okay,
yeah.
thank you.
Let's test some.
Oh, what?
Let's see.
You
Hold
said-
each other's hands.
He said,
You
"Bo."
wanna hold hands?
Sure.
Does he want to press
Do you
it?
like each other's smell? Smell each other.
Okay.
Oh.
I like
Yeah.
that.
Do you
Okay.
think you chose a naughty or a nice scent?
I think he chose a naughty scent. You chose nice.
Yes.
Candy cane.
Might have been that, yeah.
Are you sweet like a candy cane?
I am.
You two are really cute. Is this gonna happen?
Why not?
I'm open to it.
I'm open to it.
Oh yeah.
Let's go on a second date.
He's holding. He's
Alright, I'm gonna light
holding.
up red one last time. If you don't hit me,
He
you hit the
holding.
button.
Holding. He got it. Come on.
Congratulations! You two have won the
See anything? Hey, nothing. Hey, you can't. You know what I'm saying? Bachata, you can't beat it. You know what I'm saying?
They're gonna give you some products to take home and try.
This is the one I used.
I used that on my hands.
92.
Oh,
yeah.
actually.
Which one are you gonna take home? Which one do you like?
I will
Oh.
take fresh mistletoe home.
Mistletoe. Put it above your head.
For free?
How dare you to kiss each other.
Oh, you think you're getting somewhere, Button.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay. Should I hold it up?
Yeah. That was so sweet.
That quick?
Experience naughty and nice.
What? Okay, bro. All right, bro. That was fast. Like, they're not even dating yet, and now that quick. Okay, bro. All right, man. What show is this, bro? I'm gonna hide your joy. I'm just kidding, man. I'm out of here. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. What?